Hi guys, I'm Anshika. Welcome to my channel, and this video is going to be a very fun video because I'll be doing what's in my bag segment plus a get to know me. I personally love watching what's in my bag videos, and I've also added some questions that I'll be answering in between so that you guys can get to know me better. So I'll be showing what I carry in my travel handbag whenever I'm going somewhere and I need just the essential things, or I'm going for a trip or anything. This is like my handbag with all the things that I would require throughout the trip or on the way. The bag might change, but the things inside would stay the same for me, and because those are my essentials. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So yeah, this is my bag. This is a plain black tote bag, and I really like this bag because it's not a very big bag or it's not very small bag that doesn't fit all your stuff. It is just like the perfect size. And personally, I am a very organized person. I feel I want my things to be organized all the time, and I don't judge other people if they're not organized, but I want my stuff to be organized. Otherwise I get this uneasy feeling that oh my god, my stuff is all over the place or anything. So yeah, I am an organized person in that manner. I have a lot of things inside this which I'll be showing one by one. So the first thing you dekh lo, Ira. These are my glasses, which I sadly require because I don't know, I blame NCRTs for this. Okay, so the first thing that I can see is my iPad. I carry this. I can watch movies, I can watch YouTube, or I can just play songs or anything. So yeah, I need this with me. Next, I have a book. This is what I'm currently reading. This is P.S. I Love You by Cecilia, and I have just started reading this book. It's my current read. So I carry this, of course. Whenever I get time, I'll just dive into the book. Next, I have, as I told you, I love listening to music. No, did I tell you? No, I didn't tell you. Okay, yeah, I love listening to music. So yeah, I love listening to music. So I have headphones. These were actually gifted to me on my birthday. I carry these headphones. I can just play my favorite songs, anything. Okay, so if you ask me my favorite artists, so for Bollywood, I have to say Arijit Singh. I love Arijit Singh always and forever. I love his music, and he has also made some good songs, like not just depressing ones, some non-depressing ones as well. So yeah, I listen to his music, and then Shreya Ghoshal would be, these two would be my top favorites for Bollywood. Currently, I have started listening to 90s music as well in Bollywood. So yeah, I love those kind of music. Otherwise, it depends on my mood. I listen to all kinds of music. And for Hollywood, my favorite artists would be Taylor Swift, Olivia Rodrigo, Conan Gray, and yeah, these people. So yeah, that were my music choices. And yeah, let's move on to what's next in my bag. Okay, so there's a wooden comb. I've started using wooden combs. I don't know why. बीच में trend चला था wooden combs का. So I was like, let me try it. इतना कोई difference I don't think होता है. But yeah, I just carry this one. Otherwise, I use a hairbrush. Talking about hair accessories only, I have a clutcher and a rubber band. So if I go with open hair somewhere, I cannot manage my hair at all. So I need a clutcher, so I can just, like, of course, everyone knows how a clutcher works anyways, and an extra rubber band. Then moving on, I also have a case where I have my AirPods, because what if you don't want to put headphones? Then moving on, I have my sunglasses. I don't really wear sunglasses all the time. Like, I usually just forget sunglasses at home and I just go out in the sun like that only, and then I get scolded by my mom. Anyways, am I an early bird or a night owl? I am definitely a night owl because I cannot get up in the morning, like especially during this time when I have like holidays and I'm doing nothing. Literally, I cannot wake up at a specific time in the morning. Sometimes I wake up at like 11 or 12 or something. So yeah, I can stay up late. Also, I prefer studying at night. So that's why I have this habit of staying up late, but I cannot wake up early. And even though I sleep early sometimes, I still wake up late. Like, कुछ और ही चल रहा है मेरे साथ. If I could live in any movie or book, I think if I were to live in a movie, would be Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Yes, I want to live in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Next, what I have in my bag is, okay, this is all like under one category of skincare. So I have my hand cream, then I have my sunscreen, then I have another hand cream, then I have a lot of lip balms, lip glosses, lipsticks. I love, you know, having all those products. I have 3 lip balms, I have 1 lipstick, and I have Vaseline. This is, I'm just a girl, guys. These are the lip products. And so I have lip gloss, I have another one from Foxtail. This is the caramel one, and this is the vanilla one. Then just a normal lip balm, then I have a lipstick and Vaseline. And yeah, that is it. That was all that I had in my bag. All of this falls under my essentials category that I carry outside. And whether or not I use all of these things, I need these things, you know, to survive if I am out for the whole day, or if I'm going somewhere, I'm traveling or anything like that. One thing I'll always carry in my bag has to be lip balms. Of course, isn't that very obvious? I will always carry lip balms. Not even lipsticks, like lip balms or lip glosses. I need those. One item in my bag that defines me, I think the novel, I would say, that defines me as a reader, as a person who loves to read, loves to be in a fictional world and not face the reality. Yeah, I like to be in my own world, basically. One thing I've learned recently would be self-care. I have learned self-care, and not just like external care or anything, you know, things for your mental health, for your emotional well-being, and you know, all those stuff. So in that terms, I have learned self-care, and I'm still learning to cope up with whatever life throws at you, and how to face the reality, and you know, just taking care of yourself. So yeah, self-care is something I have learned recently, and I'm still learning actually. 3 words my friends would use to describe me: ड्रामेबाज, इमोशनल, नहीं दैट वो तो चलो ठीक है, आई एम यार 11th जुलाई बर्थडे आता है, आई एम कैंसेरियन, सो ऑब्वियसली इमोशनल तो हुई. आई थिंक माई फ्रेंड्स वुड डिस्क्राइब मी एज हाँ ड्रामेबाज, काइंड एंड मे बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. आई डोंट नो कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे को. I have no idea, guys. Do comment down below what you think are the 3 words that describe me. I would really want to know that. That's a really nice question. Okay, so long walks or long naps? Long walks. Like, why would you waste your time sleeping? Bol kaun raha hai? Okay, anyways, no, I love long walks. I love nature. So yeah, and a good weather. So tote bags or backpacks? I think tote bags I've started using recently, but I've always used backpacks my whole life. And even if I go out somewhere, I carry backpacks. Like sling bags are a different thing. Of course, sling bags की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. If you go out just, you know, to a cafe or something like that, you would carry a sling bag. But convenience के हिसाब से, I think backpacks are much more convenient and comfortable for me. So yeah, tote bags I have not really used a lot. What's one thing you always overpack? Lip balms. I'm a certified lip balm paglu by now. But anyways, yeah, I love lip balms. यार मैं क्या करूँ? I mean, even if I'm not carrying a bag somewhere, I would always have a lip balm on me. Favorite way to unwind after a long day? Just watch your comfort show and maybe listen to music. So yeah, that would be my way of unwinding the day. So yeah guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you were able to know me better. I really hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!